Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this floating race tag animations on CapCut mobile. So first you just need to add your videos, or you can use a solid background like this and then just write your tags. Tap on tags, add tags, and then write it in here. Okay, I'm going to just write it like this. You can change the font or style if you like it. For example, I'm going to change the font. Here you can go to animation, click on loop, and then just find the floodlight animations, this one, and you'll have that floating ray text animation. You can adjust the speed in here, and to change the color you can just click on styles and choose the color that you want. Okay, you can create a variety of colors by changing the the text color to how you like it, like this. So that's how you can make this floating race text animations on CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.